Click on the link below to get price. Doc type HTML. If LTIE7, HTML class equals Node.js IE6 old lang equals ENUS and diff. If IE7, HTML class equals Node.js IE7 old lang equals ENUS and diff. If IE8, HTML class equals Node.js IE8 old lang equals ENUS and diff. If GTIE8, HTML class equals Node.js lang equals ENUS and diff. Head. Title API. OpenAI. COM 520, web server is returning an unknown error /title. Meta charset equals UTF-8 / Meta HTTP equals content type content equals text /HTML, charset equals UTF-8 / Meta HTTP equals XUA compatible content equals IE equals edge / Metaname equals robots content equals nindex, nofollow / Metaname equals viewport content equals width equals device width, initial scale equals 1 / Link rel equals stylesheet ID equals CF underscore style CSS ref equals /CDNCGI /style /main. CSS / head. Body. Div ID equals CF wrapper. Div ID equals CF error details class equals P0. Header class equals MX auto.10 LG.6 LG PX8 W240 LG W full MB8. H1 class equals inline block SM MB2 font light text 60 LG text 4XL text black dark leading type Mr. 2. Span class equals inline block web server is returning an unknown error /span. Span class equals code label error code 520 /span. /H1. Div. Visitor ref equals https://www.cloudflare.com /5xx error landing, UTM underscore source equals error code underscore 520 and UTM underscore campaign equals API. OpenAI. Com target equals underscore blank rel equals Nupaner Norferer Cloudflare. Com /A for more information. /div. Div class equals M23 2026-04-0519:46:53 UTC/div. /header. Div class equals my 8BG gradient gray. Div class equals W240 LG W full MX auto. Div class equals clearfix MD PX8. Div ID equals CF browser status class equals relative W1/3 MD W full PY15 MD P0 MD PY8 MD text left MD border solid MD border 0 MD border B MD border gray 400 overflow hidden float left MD float none text center. Div class equals relative MB10 MD M0. Span class equals CF icon browser block MD hidden H20 BG center BG no repeat /span. Span class equals CF icon OKW12 H12 absolute left 1/2 MD left auto MD right 0 MD top 0 ML6 bottom 4 /span. /div. Span class equals MD block W full truncate U /span. H3 class equals MD inline block and in 3 MD M to 0 text 2XL text gray 600 font light leading 1. 3. Browser. /H3. Span class equals leading 1. 3 text 2XL text green success working /span. /div ID equals CF Cloudflare status class equals relative W1/3 MD W full PY15 MD P0 MD PY8 MD text left MD border solid MD border 0 MD border B MD border gray 400 overflow hidden float left MD float none text center. Div class equals relative MB10 MD M0. A ref equals https://www.cloudflare.com /5xx error landing, UTM underscore source equals error code underscore 520 and UTM underscore campaign equals API. OpenAI. Com target equals underscore blank rel equals Nupaner Norferer. Span class equals CF icon cloud block MD hidden H20 BG center BG no repeat /span. Span class equals CF icon OKW12 H12 absolute left 1/2 MD left auto MD right 0 MD top 0 ML6 bottom 4 /span. /A. /div. Span class equals MD block W full truncate Miami / span. H3 class equals MD inline block and in 3 MD M to 0 text 2XL text gray 600 font light leading 1. 3. A ref equals https://www.cloudflare.com/5xx error landing UTM underscore source equals error code underscore 520 and UTM underscore campaign equals API. OpenAI. Com target equals underscore blank rel equals nupener norferer. Cloudflare. /A. /H3. Span class equals leading 1. 3 text 2XL text green success working /span. /div div id equals cf host status class equals cf error source relative w1/3 md w full py15 md p0 md py8 md text left md border solid md border 0 md border b md border gray 400 overflow hidden float left md float none text center. Div class equals relative mb10 md m0. Span class equals cf icon server block md hidden h20 bg center bg no repeat /span. Span class equals cf icon error w12h12 absolute left 1/2 md left auto md right 0 md top 0 ml6 bottom 4 /span. /div. Span class equals md block w full truncate API. OpenAI. Com/span. H3 class equals MD inline block and in 3 MD M to 0 text 2XL text gray 600 font light leading 1. 3. Host /H3. Span class equals leading 1. 3 text 2XL text red error /span. /div div class equals W240LG W full MX auto MB8 LG PX8. Div class equals clearfix. Div class equals W1/2 MD W full float left PR6 MD PB10 MD PR0 leading relaxed. H2 class equals text 3XL font normal leading 1. 3 MB4 what happened /H2. P. There is an unknown connection issue between Cloudflare and the origin web server. As a result, the web page cannot be displayed. /P. /div. Div class equals W1/2 MD W full float left leading relaxed. H2 class equals text 3XL font normal leading 1. 3 MB4 what can I do /H2. H3 class equals text 15 font semi-bold MB2 if you are a visitor of this website /H3. P class equals MB6 please try again in a few minutes. /PH3 class equals text 15 font semi-bold MB2 if you are the owner of this website /H3. P span there is an issue between Cloudflare's cache and your origin web server. Cloudflare monitors for these errors and automatically investigates the cause. To help support the investigation, you can pull the corresponding error log from your web server and submit it our support team. Please include the RAY ID, which is at the bottom of this error page. /span rel equals nupener norfer ref equals https://developers. Cloudflare. com/support/troubleshooting /http status code /cloudflare 5xx errors /error 520 /additional troubleshooting resources /a /p /div /div class equals cf error footer cf wrapper w240lg w full py10 sm py4 sm px8 mx auto text center sm text left border solid border 0 border t border gray 300. P class equals text 13. Span class equals cf footer item sm block sm mb1 Cloudflare ray id. Strong class equals font semi-bold 97 B0 FAC04A67 CF /strong /span. Span class equals CF footer separator SM hidden and bull /span. Span ID equals CF footer item IP class equals CF footer item hidden SM block SM MB1. Your IP. Button type equals button ID equals CF footer IP reveal class equals CF footer IP reveal BTN click to reveal /button. Span class equals hidden ID equals CF footer IP greater than 174. 228, 162. 216 /span. Span class equals CF footer separator SM hidden and bool /span /span. Span class equals CF footer item SM block SM MB1 span performance and amp. Security by /span arel equals nupaner norfer ref equals https://www.cloudflare.com/5xx error landing UTM underscore source equals error code underscore 520 and UTM underscore campaign equals API. OpenAI. Com ID equals brand underscore link target equals underscore blank Cloudflare /a/span /p. Script, function D, varb equals a get element by ID, CF footer item IP, C equals a get element by ID, CF footer IP reveal, B and in class list in B and end, B class list. Remove, hidden, C, add event listener, click function, C, class list. Add, hidden, a get element by ID, CF footer IP. Class list. Remove, hidden, var a equals document. Add event listener and NA add event listener, DOM content loaded D/script /div error footer /div /body /HTML